Hi there, I'm so excited that you're watching with me today. Today we're going to be learning about bronzer. I'm Carrie Watson with Photo Finish by Carrie, and I am a professional portrait photographer, a mom of two, a wife, and I need really fast, easy makeup, and this is how I do it. So if you're watching this video, you might have already seen my tutorial on contour that I just finished putting together right now. So I have on all of my highlight, my foundation, and my contour, and I'm going to show you how I place bronzer and where I place it considered to contour. So I feel like this is a really common question. Where do people put bronzer? Where do people put contour? This is it, guys. It's really simple. I'm going to show you. So first of all, I need my B² brush, my blush and bronzer brush. This thing is amazing. I really like to use it for applying my highlight application too, but what it's made for right here is the bronzer brush. So this is that big fluffy end. This is what you're going to use that for. You're going to just tap a couple times into Bella bronzer. It's really pigmented, so I want you to give it a little swipe on your arm. See how much pigment it's picking up before you go to putting it all over your face, okay? So I just like to pick it up, kind of get a good coat on my brush, and then here's where it is, ladies. So I've already showed you in my tutorial on where to put the contour and how to get that finished, sculpted, awesome look. And now we're just gonna take bronzer. If you like that sun glow, kissed look, this is where you put it. I like to put it on the cheeks, my cheeks. So think anywhere that you might get a really bad sunburn, okay? So anywhere, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Where you have fried your face, that's where you're gonna put bronzer. So just kind of in a broader area of where you put your contour, but you're just kind of gonna use it to just add a little bit of glow to your facials, okay? Right there. And then I also like to take a little bit and put it right on my neck, right here, because, you know, pasty girl pale. If I'm gonna be putting it on my face, I also wanna put a little bit on my neck. So then I just come in with the small end and I blend that out. Because I've already got the cream foundations on my face, it blends really easily on my face. But since I don't have that on my neck, sometimes you really have to come in with that small end to really work it in, if you get what I mean. Same thing here. I'm just gonna lightly tap and blend, and then I'm gonna come in with that fluffy end and I'm just gonna lightly brush it out. So this gives you that really suntan glow. You can put it on really heavy like I did today to really accentuate, to really show you where to put it. Because sometimes I can put it on so subtle that you barely see it. So if you really want that suntan glow without having to go the tanless sunner, the sunless tanner route, this is how you do it, okay? So I like to stay away from my jawline so that it still blends and matches and looks like me, and the same thing away from my under eye, but I do like to just kind of over the center, high spots of my face, right here where I would typically sunburn, and go from there. So there you go, guys. That's bronzer. It's really fun, it's really easy, and everybody needs some Bella bronzer in their life. Enough said.